Learn with Jingle Kids.
Animal sounds. A snake makes a hiss sound. A bat makes a screech sound. A bear growls. A bee buzzes, buzz. A sheep bleats. A camel grunts. A cat makes a meow or purr sound. A cow moos. A bull bellows. Chickens make a cluck sound. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. A chimpanzee screams. A crow caws. Dogs bark. Dolphins make a click sound. Donkeys bray, hee-haw, hee-haw. A dove makes a coo sound. Ducks quack. Elephants trumpet. A fox yelps. A frog croaks. A goose cackles. Goats bleat. Mice squeak, squeak. Pigs make an oink sound, oink, oink. Horses neigh, neigh. Birds tweet, tweet. A hippo grunts. A lion roars, roar. A tiger also roars, roar. Monkeys screech. A wolf howls, ow! Owls hoot. Turkeys make a gobble sound, gobble, gobble.